Hello everyone, I am Dr. Muhammad Ismail, Department of Zoology, JT College, Malegaon. Today in this video, we are going to learn about the basic terminologies used in genetics. So very common terminology used in genetics is the genes. Now, what is gene? A gene is commonly defined as a DNA sequence that has a specific function, and a gene is a basic unit of heredity and a sequence of nucleotides in DNA or RNA that encodes the synthesis of a gene product, either RNA or protein. And during gene expression, the DNA is first copied into RNA. A human body is consisting of trillions of cells, and a cell is the structural as well as functional unit of life. A cell consisting of cytoplasm with various cell organelles. And among these organelles, nucleus is utmost important, though it consisting of chromosomes, which is actually a long linear DNA wrapped around histone protein, and a specific part of it is the gene. Now look at this figure. In this figure, the cell is there, nucleus is there, and in this nucleus there are 46 chromosomes is there. Chromosomes are actually a long linear DNA wrapped around histone protein, and it is the gene. Moreover, the gene is a unit of heredity which is transferred from a parent to offspring and is held to determine some characteristics of the offspring. Genes are made up of DNA. Some gene acts as instruction to make proteins. However, many genes do not code for protein. In humans, genes vary in size from a few hundred DNA bases to more than 2 million bases, and it is estimated that humans have between 20,000 to 25,000 genes. Okay, now the next important concept in genetics is the locus. What is locus? Each chromosome carries many genes, with each gene occupying a different position or locus in humans. A locus is the specific physical location of a gene or other DNA sequence on a chromosome, like a genetic street address. Now look at this figure where a chromosome having two strips, one in blue color and another one is in pink color. These are the locations of two genes. For example, blue color strip is a gene which is responsible for eye color, while the pink color strip is a gene which is responsible for hair color. These locations are fixed in each and every human being. There is no change in location of these genes among any human being. So this is all about the locus. Now the next important concept is the allele. What is allele? An allele is a variant form of a gene. Some genes have a variety of different forms which are located at the same position or genetic locus on a chromosome. Humans are diploid organisms because they have two alleles at each genetic locus, with one allele inherited from each parent. In this figure, we can easily identify two homologous chromosomes is there, and there are four different alleles is there which is present on both homologous chromosomes. The top position green color strip is the gene or allele for hair color. The red strip is gene or allele for blood groups or blood type. The third one is the gene or allele for eye color, and the fourth one is the gene or allele for height of the organism. Okay, These chromosomes, this left side chromosome come from mother and the right side chromosome come from father. So human being is the diploid organism. Okay. For example, in this figure, there is one pair of homologous chromosome which has a gene responsible for color of flower. The gene present in the uppermost chromosome is responsible for purple color flower, while the gene present in the lower chromosome is responsible for white color flower. The gene or both the alleles having same position. Look at the position of both the genes or both the alleles. The position is the same one and both are on the homologous chromosomes. And these are the alternate forms of genes. That's why they are known as alleles. Okay, so these are the now look at this figure. In this figure, for example, this gene is responsible for color of flower and there are two alleles for this gene. Okay, a capital A and small a. This is the heterozygous condition since both the allele of this gene is different. That is, one is capital A and another one is small a. Capital A allele is responsible for expression of red color in flower, while small a is responsible for white color in flower. Now, what is actually differ in both these two alleles is the sequence of nucleotide. Let's have a look. This is the sequence of capital A allele which encode for a protein, and that protein is responsible for red color in flowers. Okay, and this one is the small a allele. Look at the let's have a look on the sequence in circle position. Instead of adenine which was present in capital A allele, there is a cytosine base pair in small a allele which cause changes in amino acid sequence in protein and which leads to changes in color of flower. So this is all about the alleles. So this is all about the different basic terminologies used in genetics. Like we all looked at genes, what are the genes, then locus, and what are the alleles. So I hope the video is informative for clearing this concept. Thank you so much.